I mean, wake up in the morning, look into the eyes of the world and tell the world you are amazing. Because you are amazing does not make you arrogant. What makes you arrogant is you're the only fucking person who's amazing. Makes you arrogant.
क्या हाल होने भाई, बस
क्या हो गया भाई?
डिप्रेशन है भाई लाइफ में, कुछ है नहीं।
अरे 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 भैया इतना भारी भरकम वर्ड यूज कर दिया भाई आप लोग।
क्या कर रहे हो
सर जी?
अबे बस यार लाइफ कुछ व्हाट नथिंग टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, कॉलेज खुलने नहीं है।
क्या चल रहा है वैसे? लाइक क्वाइट ऑनेस्टली, लाइक अभी तो फॉर एवरीवन वाचिंग और लिसनिंग राइट नाउ, अभी ये बता दे कि ड्यूरिंग रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वन पर्टिकुलर इंट्रो वी आर नॉट विद ईच अदर। अभी हम एक दूसरे के साथ फिजिकली प्रेजेंट नहीं है, फिजिकली प्रेजेंट नहीं है। इट्स ऐसा चल रहा है पिछले 1-2 महीने, काफ़ी टाइम से इनफैक्ट ऐसा ही चल रहा है। आई लाइक वी हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू सिट डाउन विद ईच अदर, वी हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू टॉक टू ईच अदर, व्हिच इज आल्सो व्हाई वी हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू रिकॉर्ड अ पॉडकास्ट विद ईच अदर फॉर क्वाइट अ व्हाइल।
यस दैट इज ट्रू,
बट क्या चल रहा है अभी तेरी जिंदगी में? क्या चल रहा है फिलहाल?
कुछ नहीं, अभी तो बस अरे नथिंग मच मैन, वेटिंग फॉर कॉलेजेस टू रीओपन। ऑनेस्टली काफी ज्यादा टाइम हो गया।
तो अभी तो पूरा वो वाला सीन हो गया ना।
अबे एज सून एज न्यूज़ आनी शुरू हुई कि भाई अब शायद कॉलेजेस खुलने शुरू हो जाएंगे, तभी वापस केसेस में हाइक आ गया। सो पॉइंट नहीं रहा, फिर कुछ वापस बैक टू ग्राउंड जीरो हो गया।
बैक टू ग्राउंड जीरो।
यप, और तू वहीं पे है, सो दैट्स वर्स।
yes. कोई नहीं भाई, कोई बात नहीं. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Two Peas in a Pod, your favorite podcast, currently the number one comedy podcast in all of India. भैया काफी टाइम हो गया यार,
काफी सारा टाइम हो गया। और अब तो बहाने मारने की तो अब जरूरत ही नहीं है। इट्स जस्ट ऑब्वियस सी बात होती है। अब ऑडियंस भी समझ ही गई है, गिवन है ये चीज तो कि भाई
कि यार हर पॉडकास्ट में ये चीज कंसिस्टेंट। यस, पर अभी ऑनेस्टली बोलूं समझ नहीं आया अभी ये कहाँ पे ये गया, बिकॉज द लास्ट टाइम वी वर सिटिंग टुगेदर, हम लोग लेजिट रोज बैठ बूट के हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ सिस्टम कर रहे थे कि हाँ भैया कल नया गेस्ट आज ये we were sitting recording for hours and hours long of podcast, sitting the next day scripting for another, but
अबे as soon as the link breaks, as you तू निकल लिया फिर, and it's just weird. मतलब काफी मुश्किल होता है to समझ रहे हो ना? बस हाँ यार, बिल्कुल.
Yes. So yeah, for everyone listening, we've got quite a few very exciting podcasts coming for each and every one of you.
We recorded this podcast long ago. We recorded this podcast long ago that you're about to listen to, and
quite honestly, like we're having to break this podcast down into parts because of the variety of topics that we're touching it in. मतलब इतना vast variety इसमें आप लोग टच कर रहे हैं कि यार ये तुम लोगों को पार्ट्स में ही देना पड़ेगा बॉस.
That is true. बहुत ही I mean unexpectedly लंबा पॉडकास्ट बन गया था ये, and हमको इतनी आदत है नहीं वैसे लंबे पॉडकास्ट की, so we felt it was a better decision to do 1 hour podcast and 2 parts of that particular 2 घंटों का जो पॉडकास्ट बन गया था हमारा.
Ended up being a 2.5 hour long conversation.
Yep.
2.5 घंटे तक आप लोग बात करते रहे. बट वो यार लोग बोलेंगे ना क्वांटिटी. दिस वाजंट अ क्वांटिटी कॉन्वर्सेशन, दिस वाज सच अ क्वालिटी कॉन्वर्सेशन.
True.
I was flying to Mumbai today, and throughout the flight I was listening to this entire podcast. I was seeing कि हाँ भैया कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल इधर उधर ना कुछ भी बोल दिया हो, क्योंकि भाई एक डायलॉग पे यहाँ पे हमें बहुत ज़्यादा गौर फरमाना पड़ रहा था, क्योंकि नंबर 1 the guest that we're bringing is absolutely huge, and number 2 we couldn't have afforded to say anything here and there for these sensitive topics that we were touching in this one particular podcast. तो अपन लोगों को था कि नहीं बॉस, इधर उधर कुछ भी टच नहीं कर सकते या बोल नहीं सकते, क्योंकि भाई सिस्टम है यार, ये काफ़ी सेंसिटिव टॉपिक्स है.
True. So yes, I mean, but काफी बढ़िया podcast था ये. So I'm pretty sure you guys will take a lot of value out of both the parts of this particular podcast. So make sure you listen to them.
wherever you're consuming this one particular podcast, if you're watching it on YouTube, make sure you're doing your bit. Subscribe to this podcast. You listen and watch till the end of it. Wherever you're listening, wherever you're consuming this podcast. If it's on Spotify, follow kar dena, mast ekdam. If it's on Apple, mast 5-star deke niche comment वगैरह कर देना. But wherever you're listening, regardless of every bit of what we just mentioned, make sure you're listening it till the very end, and make sure, because let alone this one particular factor, अगर तुम इस podcast को end तक सुनोगे, you will so be looking forward to the next part of it. I am not even lying.
That is true.
Seriously, man. Seriously, like we're touching on so many beautiful topics. Like, just to name a few, we're talking about being humble, we're talking about self-awareness, we're talking about how struggle is actually fake, we're talking about dealing with people who kill your wives, we're talking about wasting time, we're talking about complaints, we're talking about comparing yourself with other people, we're talking about lessons from
सारे नहीं बता रहे ना
Shah Rukh Khan himself.
भाई सारे नहीं बता रहे, ठीक है?
तो सारे टाइम से लगा. But anyway, without further ado, let's get right into it.
Yes,
the
sir.
guest for today, ladies and gentlemen, is one who has done more than 1,000 corporate shows. He's performed worldwide in more than 30 countries. He's a Guinness World Record holder. He's a powerhouse for the world and a gem for everyone who knows him personally, and one person who just doesn't believe but makes you believe in this one thing that he believes himself. Go big,
Go big or
go
go
home.
home. Yes, sir.
Aman Sharma, ladies and gentlemen, make way.
Let's go.
You said it right. I love it when anybody says go big or go home. It's such a brand recall.
It's
Talking about it, though, like
बहुत सुंदर brand recon है मतलब.
है ना?
I read it and I was like, that's
I
pretty
love
nice.
But wait, like, to start off with it,
But before you start, I want to say hi
Go big
to
or go
both the
home.
boys. I want to say hi to both the boys.
Hi.
Two P's.
Isn't that's the first person on the podcast who's ever said hi to us? Jesus Christ.
You have had
Nobody says hi.
such bad guests before me then. Because it's only fair. It's only fair, and it only shows your etiquettes when you say hi to the host. Because if I host a show and somebody doesn't say hi to me, I take it personally. I'd be like, तेरी पढ़ाई, तेरी upbringing खराब है, तू इंसान खराब है, तू नीच इंसान है, तेरा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So hi to both the boys. I'm a big fan of Two Peas in a Pod. This is.
Thank you. Thank you.
We
This
will
is awesome.
use this as micro piece of content and push it out to the world.
Yes, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, Aman Sharma, who interviews celebrities, being interviewed by Two Peas in a Pod today.
Yes, guys.
How do you feel?
The interviewer is being interviewed. Boom.
No, I feel amazing. I mean,
मतलब जब
you know what? Sorry, Raghav was saying something. Go for it.
No, I was just saying the same thing, that when Bhaiya told me that we'll be interviewing Aman Sharma, I was like, पहली बात, will we be able to do that? To interview someone who has interviewed celebrities is a very tough job.
मैं इसको पता है,
take up.
अमन भाई, I'll tell you what, मैंने इसको WhatsApp पे आज मतलब थोड़ा डाटा है मैंने इसको, ठीक है?
इसने मेरे को 5 पेजेस की स्क्रिप्ट भेजी है यार, 5 पेजेस.
मैंने थोड़ा तो पहले इसको डाटा है. मैंने कहा कि सुन, अभी तक तो जो तेरा मोड रहा है ना पॉडकास्ट में, आज तेरा वो वाला मोड नहीं चलेगा. दिस इज अमन शर्मा.
Why?
आज थोड़ा ढंग का मोड रखिए.
Why? मुझे वो मोड चाहिए. I want that mode. I want raw Raghav. I don't want this sugarcoating.
I don't listen to my brother, so you're in luck.
Yes.
Yep.
Nice guys. That's very
Nobody listens to Paritosh Anand.
Yes,
It's
guys,
just
let's just
Chalo,
Aman Sharma
perfect.
would relate to that dot. Okay. Yes. Okay. So
Shit just got personal.
That's an inside
Okay.
joke.
वही ना भाई मैं.
Jesus Christ. Okay. So yes, as we were saying, to start off with,
Yeah.
really want to know, go big or go home.
Yeah.
कहाँ से आया ये? How did, what's the story behind this?
So go big or go home. Thank you for asking. That's first up. Thank you for asking, because I don't get many opportunities to tell people what go big or go home is. So when I started out doing this, to give a little context, I got a call from someone. Would you be an MC? I was like, हद है बदतमीजी की. हद है बदत गाली दे रहा है आदमी मुझे. Are you an MC? मैंने बोला है. तुम कौन हो भैया? So basically, to give a little context to people who don't know, anchor in the industry terms is called an MC. So I MC shows, and that's how I got a call. And I started hosting shows. I started to find my joy in that. And basically, ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं करनी थी. ये काम cool था. Mic पे रहता था पूरे time. I was the popular kid in the college. And all of that was going good. Cut to the point when I started doing shows inside malls in Mumbai. Malls. I tell this to everybody. If you want to be a public speaker, start hosting shows in the malls. because that was our training ground for 2 years straight. You're looking into nobody's eye, but you're just speaking to the world. Nobody is listening to you, but you're still talking.
Wow.
There's not a single person who gives a flying fuck about your existence, but you still have to speak.
Wow.
And I used to be like, dude, who am I talking to? Because my audience is moving around. This girl is upset. This boy is upset. This guy is horny. This guy is not horny. I mean, all of these people are just
Observations.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I would do.
Observations are very
Aman
important.
Sharma knows who's horny
Yeah,
and not.
yeah. Because we know our faces. So
That comes with
yeah,
experience.
talking with experience. I mean, young age, we're all allowed to do that. So I was never able to start a show inside a mall. Never. Because मैं सोचता था मैं, when there's an audience, it's like when you do a speech. When there's an audience, you go like, hey, what's up, everybody? You know there's a reaction coming. मेरे को कौन reaction देगा? There's a janitor guy who's standing there. And I go, oh, what's up, everybody? And he's like,
Wow.
And
मैं तो floor साफ कर यासी.
but quite interesting though, yaar. Amal bhai, like what used to be your mindset उस समय? Like when you used to
this
see
is
कि
where
हाँ,
this
reaction
is
नहीं
where
आ
the
रहा.
birth of Go Big or Go Home happened. This is the exact question where Go Big or Go Home came into play. Once I remember doing a bunch of shows, and then I would tell myself, I would give myself countdown because I wanted a trigger to start. I'd be like, dude, I don't care if there are people, I will start. So I would say 3, 2, 1, and I have to start the show. I have to go on stage. But 3, 2, 1 go पे मैं stage पे नहीं जा पाता था. Because I used to be like, how do I gather the courage to talk to nobody? It's like I have the courage to talk to millions of people. Make me stand there, I will. How do I gather the courage to talk to nobody? मैं किससे बात करूँ? And then I used to be like, bro, one day I read Go Big or Go Home. Go Big or Go Home actually then became a taunt to myself after every show. That if you want to go beyond what you've already done, my friend, you better learn how to start a fucking show. Because if you don't go big, you're going home.
Wow.
And that was a taunt to myself. When 3, 2, 1 happens, on 1, you have to get into your vibe and start the show. So that was every time I said I hosted this show, I would say Go Big or Go Home, because I've done this, I've accomplished this, I want to go better than this. That is where Go Big or Go Home started. It was a taunt to myself. People started relating to it, and now it is stuck with me as if I own it. But Dwayne Johnson, who uses it, Jason Statham uses it. I wish I could copyright it, but I don't have that much money. But yeah.
I mean,
But
you
yeah,
might end
that's
up
Go Big or
interviewing
Go
them
Home.
sometime in the future. So
What is that?
you might end up interviewing one of them in the near future, even
One of
both
them?
of them. So
All
you
of
never
them.
know. You can
Yeah,
ask for rights. You
honestly-
can be like, "Arey,
Hello.
oh."
Honestly, I would love for that to happen. But on the brighter side of things, I would love to sit with them while someone is interviewing me someday. That would be a plan to look up to.
Wow.
You know?
Wow.
क्या बात है?
So-
क्या बात
Manifest,
है?
ladies
क्या
and
बात है?
gentlemen.
क्या बात है?
Manifest.
That's Go Big or Go Home.
That-
That's Go Big or Go Home.
That actually is Go Big or Go Home.
That is
Because
Go
wait,
Big.
yeah, which brings me to another interesting topic.
Hmm.
The same goes with dreams as well, doesn't it, Aman bhai?
It does.
With your dreams as well, you need to either go big home. You either need to go big or you go back
Yeah.
home.
True. In many ways. I mean,
Was this with you as well? Like how was your life in college like? Like did you always believe that?
I mean, personally, not many people know that they can pursue a career in public speaking.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Public speaking को इस extent तक ले
I
जाना
didn't
मैंने
know-
भी पहली
I
बार
don't
देखा.
know up until
When
today that you can make a career in public speaking.
Wow.
Here's me 8 years into this industry.
वही,
My parents still don't know what I do for a
बहुत-
living.
बहुत
They
surprising.
still ask, what do you do for a living? And I'm like, yeah, I do something.
Jesus
I do something. I speak. They're like, we also speak. What do you do different? I speak. that's all that I do. Now, so coming back to your point, in college times, to be very honest, my only and forever dream was to be a good human. That's it. I didn't have dreams. I did not ever want to be an astronaut or a journalist or a pilot, because every third day that changed for me. आज मैं इससे देख लिया तो आज मुझे पायलट बनना है, कल मैंने उसे देख लिया तो मुझे एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना है.
वो तो
Basically,
होता
मैं
ही
समझ
है.
गया.
मेरे साथ भी यही सीन था इन
ये तो
स्कूल.
उम्र है.
वन डे यू वांट टू बी अ क्रिकेटर, नेक्स्ट डे इंसेप्शन देख ली, चलो एस्ट्रोनॉट बनते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली. ये तो फिर भी अच्छा है. मैंने तो हरमन बवेजा की मूवी देख के सोचा था मैं क्रिकेटर बनूंगा, तो सोच रहा मैं तो कहीं से भी इंस्पायर हो जाता हूँ. So I have to.
मैंने इंसेप्शन बोल दिया गलती से, इंटरस्टेलर बोलना था.
Yeah. So you know
That's a very
every
subtle
day.
difference between influence and inspiration.
Yeah. Actually, there is very well put. There is. So that's the point about dreams is I never had one. I only, मतलब ये झूठ होगा मुझे बोलना कि I wanted to host the Oscars one day or I want to host. No man, every day I just want to be a good human being who can talk to people, and the next day just follows. ऐसे करते करते now I've traveled 42 countries and that was a subtle plug-in. Cheers.
Let's
Flex कर लो भाई, पहले flex कर लेते हैं भाई.
Yeah, and I just won the third best
I mean,
actor in the West region in India and kind of all. So yeah, just
yes,
subtle plugins,
yes,
subtle plugins,
yes.
subtle plugins. Yeah.
Very subtle flex,
mentioned
very
that
subtle
in the
flex.
intro, but anyway, Aman
Very
Sharma
subtle
said it for
flex,
himself.
very subtle flex भाई.
Yeah, I believe there is this theory
Anyhow,
I
it's
have. And you guys, it's
Hanji.
funny how
We always love theories.
yeah, it's funny how you should be asking me questions, but I am myself giving all the theories, so forgive me for that. But I have a theory.
Please.
I have a theory. Don't be humble. Don't be humble. Don't be humble.
Why is that? Why
Being
is that?
humble, the world,
That's interesting.
the world will misunderstand you. Now there's a difference. When people say be humble, Shah Rukh Khan is humble, Akshay Kumar is humble, Dwayne Johnson is humble. No. They are not humble. Being humble is a simple. What happens is when you try to be over humble, you reduce your worth to yourself. Being humble never meant be arrogant. When I say don't be humble, does not mean don't be be arrogant. There is a gray area where you can always operate. Like if I am good at something, if I am good at something, I will say I am the best at it. क्योंकि जब तक मैं नहीं बोलूँगा, if I won't say it myself, if I don't say it 24/7 every day that I am the fucking best at what I do, and every day I want to be better than that, then people would say that is arrogance. My entire industry knows it. If you ask me a question, who do you think is the best anchor? I'll say I. I think it's me. In all humility. I don't mean to offend the other people, but I've never come across a guy as good as me. And it's a genuine thing. I mean, it's a genuine feedback to myself. What's the harm in loving yourself? When you land up loving yourself, people say that, dude, you know what? You're arrogant. I'm like, dude, I wish you could say that about yourself. Unfortunate that you can't say that about yourself. I mean, you guys are the best podcast. If you don't say it, will I say it? No. But does that mean you're not humble?
We say it anyway.
Exactly. I've read it so many times.
Is that gray area between being humble and being arrogant called self-belief?
It is self-belief. Yes, it is self-belief. It is self-belief. It is.
बहुत misunderstood है.
बहुत.
To confuse someone with self-belief to be called arrogant.
Very, very much.
बहुत confused है वो. Overlapping area है ना थोड़ा सा.
When people say that you are overrating yourself, I say no, bro. I'm aware. I'm self-aware.
Wow.
I am not.
Perfect.
No one else will sell you and your craft for you.
True.
Why?
True.
Why will Paritosh Anand sell me as a YouTuber? Why? He will sell himself. Why will Raghav sell himself as the cool guy in the beanie? Because he thinks he's cool.
Very true.
Go sell yourself.
Facts.
Facts.
Facts,
Instead of
bro.
facts.
I mean, wake up in the morning, look into the eyes of the world and tell the world you are amazing. Because you are amazing does not make you arrogant. What makes you arrogant is you're the only fucking person who's amazing. Makes you arrogant. When you say you are amazing, you are still being humble. I mean, मैं किसी और को तो जाके नहीं कह रहा कि बदतमीज तेरा चेहरा बिल्कुल घटिया है. मैं ऐसा तो नहीं कह रहा. मैंने तो आपको तो मैं मेरे सीन में लेकर ही नहीं आया. मैं तो सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ कि भाई मैं तो लाजवाब हूँ यार. आप भी होगे अच्छे. But I don't care.
Wait, now this is not placing anyone
Exactly.
else in the picture.
Never.
You're still placing pretty much yourself in the
Don't be
picture.
derogatory to others. That is where being
Very
arrogant
nice.
comes
Very
in.
nice theory भाई.
बहुत
Very nice
प्यारा
theory.
भाई.
बहुत ही सुंदर theory भाई.
बहुत
Full
प्यारा.
marks.
Full
10 out of 10
seriously
भाई.
तू पीछे बैठा यहाँ पे.
मैं तो बस approve कर रहा हूँ.
Full marks देने वाले किधर? तू कौन सी कक्षा में यहाँ आना तू? मैं तुझे बताऊँ what arrogant being arrogant means. Come let me.
कॉलेज में हूँ मैं कॉलेज.
Which also brings me to how Aman Sharma actually started his entire journey.
Yeah, true. It is.
It was a it was a very, like, I remember it because I've been told about it. So, you know, I really want to bring this point up. This is a subtle flex.
Multiple people want to know about it.
Actually.
Even I want to know about it because somebody who started as a speaker made his career.
Absolutely. Nee, see, like what I want to point out here is, this self-belief is something that he's carried right from the very beginning.
Day one.
Even when he wasn't an MC or an anchor or a speaker for that sake. So, please shed some light on it. How exactly
so here's the thing. Here's the thing.
Yes.
Let's understand stereotypes first.
Yes.
Every job has a stereotype. You know, my job had a certain stereotype. I did not know it was a job in college because I'm not 6 feet 2 inches tall. I'm not fair. I don't have a good jawline. I don't smile like Shah Rukh Khan. I don't look like Brad Pitt. And all of that. I was always a decently average looking guy with high ambitions in life. That is all that I had. From day one, the only thing that I knew was there are people outside who've made it happen without excuses, regardless.
Wow.
I want to be the same guy. I don't want to be the guy who says, आज मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे तो मैं यहाँ पहुंचा नहीं. मैं hitchhike करके चले जाऊंगा, but मैं पहुंचूंगा. I will not give excuses.
No complaints.
Yeah, I mean, from day one, my concept was very simple that I have to do it. That is it. And honestly, don't oversell your journey too much. I hate to, say, मैं इतना struggle किया. The day somebody says, I struggled in life, we've got 2 middle fingers and I have 2 more in my, we call it toes, but I can't show it to you. If you struggled, my friend, get the fuck off whatever you're doing. Because you hustle. You never fucking struggle.
True.
The day someone comes to me and tells me मुझे मुंबई आना है struggle करने, मैं कहता हूँ ये स्कीम तेरे लिए नहीं है, तू जा यहाँ से. ये अमीरों वाली स्कीम तेरे लिए नहीं है, तू यहाँ से निकल.
For real though.
Why?
Real though. इधर कोई पैसा डबल
नहीं होने वाला. There is no Lakshmi chit fund for you. If you say I want to struggle, if you want to struggle, झाड़ू मारो, पोछा मारो. Which is, I don't want to put them down, but dude, that's that. I mean, you have your dreams, you have your ambitions. Work towards it. Hustle it out. Why fucking struggle? So basic concepts in life मेरा बचपन में बहुत clear थे क्योंकि मैं medically challenged बच्चा था हमेशा से. I had a very bad medical history for 15-16 years. I was highly pampered. इसलिए life में इतना सोचने विचार करने का समय मिला. And the only thing I understood was bringing joy to a room is the biggest joy anyone can ever experience.
Wow.
Bringing joy to the room. That could be, I remember when my granny, my nani, maternal side grandmother wasn't well. I used to be the one who'd crack jokes and she would laugh and I'd be like, fuck dude, I can make her smile. You can do that. You can all do that. It takes only little. It takes only little for someone to be good. That's when I said that I never had dreams. I just wanted to be the good guy in the room. I don't want to be that guy. And confident, man. Confidently, you should do everything. I tell this to everyone. The day you lose your confidence, you lose all of it. If you're the only one in the room who believes in a certain thing and you've let go of your thought because someone else believes, आज भैया बैग पैक कर लो, आपके लिए स्कीम नहीं है, 21 दिन में पैसे नहीं डबल होने वाले, आप यहाँ से कल्टी मार लो. Because people will push. Half of them are retards. Half of us are not aware. Half of us don't know what life is. We presume to know what life is. We complicate life. We do all the things. And I think we'll get to that in the later part of the podcast. But the baseline.
This is something that I really
the baseline is bringing joy to people was where I found love for public speaking, because then I could bring joy to more people. I could bring in, and when you say I'm a speaker, public speaker and all, no man, I am not a public speaker. I like to call myself as the vibe. I'm the vibe to the room.
Wow.
I am not the guy who's gonna come and say, ladies and gentlemen. No fucking way, no. I will come and be the vibe of the room. That is what, and that does not mean ki self-centered, egoistic, fat motherfucker. No. It means just the guy who knows what he wants to do. That's it.
Absolutely. The guy who believes in himself, his craft.
True.
And the guy who's pretty much in the place to be confident about his own self, his own craft.
You'll have 10 people who'll spoil the vibe of the room. Why not be the one guy who makes the vibe of the room? There's a calling.
Talking about people who would spoil the vibe of the room. Have you ever had
All my life.
moments कि हाँ भैया
All my life.
How do you having 10 people who destroy the vibe in the room still be the person who keeps that vibe up?
Now here's the thing.
मतलब क्योंकि कभी कभार ऐसा
हाँ,
होता है कि
correct.
भाई 10 लोग हैं बुरा कर रहे हैं मैं क्यों
because see पता क्या I'll tell you one incident ये this happened in राघव की लाइफ में हुआ था ये काफी recently वही जो तेरा लाइव हुआ था
हाँ
ठीक है तो बताइए तू बता।
so basically I do live streams on YouTube at times whenever I'm down or something. I feel like कि मैं भाई इन लोग से जो 100-200 लोग आएंगे I'll talk to them and I'll just try to have a good time. वो 100-200 लोग expectations लेके आ रखे थे कि मैं उनको ज़्यादा entertain करूँगा and it ended up obviously उनके expectations drop हो गई उस चीज़ से and because I was there just to talk और they started writing मतलब boring and भाई बंद कर boring हो रहा है
they were
ये हो
there
रहा
for entertainment
हाँ.
and what Raghav wanted to have was a very real low key sort of a sophisticated session because it was late at night as well ठीक है तो वो लोग बोलने लगे ये बोरिंग ये टॉक्सिक ये
बोरिंग ये वो सो एंड मैंने भी कहा भाई ठीक है ओके हैव फन लाइव स्ट्रीम एंड कर रहा हूं मैं
he ended the live stream and he went to he didn't know how to deal with that situation in that point of time so what was your way of dealing with that what has been your way because I'm pretty sure till date
I'll tell you had 200 people who abused you. I had 25,000 people in the stadium. 12,500 say anchor, 12,500 say chutya. It was like anchor, chutya. Now I'll tell you why.
wow
I was doing a show for WWE India. Big Show was supposed to come to Mumbai. Big Show भैया को लग गई भूख और उन्हें नहीं पता मुंबई ट्रैफिक कैसा होता है तो वो 3 स्टेशन दूर कहीं बैठ के कोई स्पोर्ट्स बार में बर्गर खाने बैठ गए और मुंबई ट्रैफिक शुरू हो गई. अब मुंबई की बेचैन क्राउड जो बिग शो के लिए वेट कर रही है इन द हीट ऑफ द समर्स इन द ओपन पार्किंग 25,000 people at once. The client put me up on stage and said, Aman, go do anything. I was like, dude, they have come to see Big Show. I will have to be. Shah Rukh Khan will not hold the stage for 3 hours. When 25,000
WWE की फैन बेस को तुम वो नहीं कर सकते भाई
मेरे ऊपर चप्पल उड़ के आई थी चप्पल उड़ के आई थी मेरे ऊपर एंड यू नो व्हाट आई सेड आई बी लाइक बेवकूफ अभी नंगे पैर जाना पड़ेगा वापस.
nice man
I mean facts
though. Yes,
I was like thanks but इतना तो दिमाग लगाओ कि अब नंगे पैर जाना पड़ेगा unless you took somebody else's chappal and threw at me. That day I was so traumatized but here's what happened. After Big Show came to the scene when he was there on the stage for hardly 11 minutes we changed that place upside down. But I learned a very strong lesson that day. That it is somebody else's problem if they expect a certain thing out of you. You are there.
Wow.
You are there to do what you are there to do. You're not there to do what people expect of you to do. I was there to introduce Big Show and leave. I was not there to fill in for Big Show for 3 hours. I did that for 20 minutes. People loved me. People loved me. They were like, man, bro. Hey. Till the time I was giving them t-shirts and bands and merch and I was throwing them into the crowd. Rockstar, yeah, whoa. All of that. But t-shirts भी खत्म होंगी एक पॉइंट का 3 घंटा तो नहीं बांटते रहेंगे.
Nice.
You know?
बिल्कुल उसके बाद जो चप्पलें आई है वो
हाँ फिर मेरे ऊपर चप्पलें आई मुझे अब्यूज किया गया. मुझे I remember very clearly there were people who were giving me they said you're fat, you're ugly. Think of anything.
Fucked up.
Think of anything. All of that happened. But at the end of the day, you know what was my takeaway? That in my selfie with Big Show, they were still there.
nice
क्या बात है
Because I
क्या
stuck
बात?
loyal to my work. Had I lost my nerve, I would have walked out of that place. या तो डर के या डिप्रेस होके अपसेट होके नॉट यूजिंग द वर्ड डिप्रेस अपसेट होके या तो डर के या आई वुड माई नीज वुड स्टार्ट शिवरिंग कि बॉस हाउ डू आई डू दिस बट आई न्यू दैट इट इज नॉट देयर प्रॉब्लम दैट बिग शो इज लेट नाइदर इज इट माई प्रॉब्लम सो आई ओनली हैव टू एंटरटेन देम. अब मेरे ऊपर जो उड़ के आ रहा है मैं वो खा रहा हूँ और मैं उसमें भी मस्ती मजाक कर रहा हूँ. मैंने 3 घंटा ऐसे निकाला straight 3 hours. But the one big lesson I learned that day was when people tell you something, don't react. They don't mean it. They won't remember it.
True.
If 25,000 people had to abuse me I should have been in a rehab by now, you know, because my confidence would shake. I tell this to everybody: try hard to break my confidence, I might just give you some. That is how
Oh my.
that
क्या
is
बात है.
how you should live your life. People will try to break your confidence, be kind enough to offer them some more. You walk into the room with 10 negative people, you walk out of the room with 9 other positive people. That is when you make the difference. Belief, you know, you guys keep saying manifest. It's easy to say, hard to imply always.
Very true.
Always. So when you have 200 people on your feed saying that you're boring, tell them. You don't have to be rude to them. Tell them that, guys, I was just here to chill. मेरा दिन boring चल रहा था. They, you know, it's like a plethora of shit out there for everybody. तू अकेला नहीं है.
Very true.
तुम कहीं और चले जाओ.
Absolutely.
आज मैं बोरिंग तो मैं बोरिंग.
सही बात है.
भैया आपको मैं बोरिंग लग रहा हूँ, आप चले जाओ. कल मैं इंटरेस्टिंग होऊंगा, आप फिर आ जाइएगा. Now here's another learning for you. Second learning. This is one part of it. But the more important part of learning is when you're at your craft, don't ever go half spirited. तू लाइफ पे गया, तू बोर्ड था, तू लाइफ गया, वो तेरी प्रॉब्लम थी. You're walking into a public room. Now you are being the bad vibe person on a public domain.
Very true.
Very true.
Very true.
You don't want to ever do that. The moment the cameras are on, your hands are broken or your spirit is broken. You are an entertainer. You go out and entertain people.
वही. You sign
Give
up for
people,
it.
Sign up.
You sign up
give
for it.
people what they expect out of you. But if unfortunately for some reason you're not able to deliver, take that as constructive criticism. Try to make the better of it. And first up, never do that. If you are on a live, never be like, आज मेरा दिन खराब है. सुन, तेरा दिन खराब है. मेरा दिन मत खराब कर.
Seriously. True, yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Fair enough,
True.
fair enough,
Very
fair
true.
Don't spoil my day.
Which?
Everybody's life is fucked anyway. The last thing you want is someone on social media saying, आज मेरा दिन खराब था. तो क्यों बता रहे भाई? वैसे ही सबका खराब होता है. You want to go there and tell them that you added value in life to today? Go do it. That's what makes you a responsible creator. Otherwise, there are a bunch of them making reels on क्या करूँ मैं मर जाऊँ. We can all be that. We can.
Entertainment तो वहाँ से भी मिलेगा.
हाँ जी, मिलेगा. वो भी अच्छा entertainment है. आप वो देखो. आप वो देखो.
कसम से.
मैं तो मेरा guilty pleasure है
That's
वो.
why.
मेरा तो हाँ मेरा guilty pleasure है वो तो. मैं तो Sing is Bling रोज देखते रहता हूँ. हाँ.
शाबाश. Let's
है भाई.
go. That secret
बढ़िया
number
भाई.
one revealed from Aman Sharma.
मैं Sing is Bling is one of my what do you say guilty pleasures. Now I'm
अरे
gonna take
सिंगिस किंग के बाद फॉलो नहीं करा उसको. सिंगिस ब्लिंक देखी है आपने?
No, मैंने नहीं देखी.
सिंगिस ब्लिंक क्यों देखी यार?
सिंगिस
यार,
हाँ क्या था एक्सपीरियंस देखने का?
सिंगिस किंग तो ठीक है, समझ आता है.
टेल मी दो, लाइक ये बॉलीवुड का अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताओ. लाइक वी हैड अ कन्वर्सेशन ऑन दिस एज वेल. मस्त एकदम बताइए जरा, एनलाइटन द ऑडियंस.
यार Bollywood का ना, I'm a big Bollywood कीड़ा. More than that, I'm a big South Indian movies का कीड़ा. Because here's what life is, man. We already have enough and more drama in life.
Very true.
Now, who is offering us that drama, spicing it up 100 times? Bollywood. Who is offering us the same drama, spicing it up 10,000 times? South movies.
South
Come on,
Indian
man. I mean, at the end of the day, when you've not had a good day, when you sometimes say कि यार आज दिन खराब था, isn't it amazing to see Rajnikant kick a guy who hits the truck and then 10 trucks go flying? I'll be like,
Yes, guys.
wow. Chalo,
So is that what Aman Sharma does in his leisure time? Watch South Indian movies?
Yeah, dude. I love watching them. I love watching sensible
Watch
cinema.
Rajnikant kicking buses.
I love watching.
Honestly though, like what do you do in your leisure time?
I sleep, boss. I love sleeping.
Wow.
I love sleeping.
Nice.
I
Perfect.
play PlayStation. I sleep.
Honest.
I waste my time. I look into infinity, seeking nothing. ऐसा भी नहीं कि कोई डीप ज्ञान आने वाला है कि आज मैंने रात के उस अंधेरे से कुछ नहीं सीखा. सिर्फ why is it so underrated to just chill? Why I keep promoting hustle. But यार hustle का भी एक समय होता है. ऐसे तो नहीं ना कि दोपहर को 3 बजे मैंने तुम्हें रात को 3 बजे नींद से उठा दिया, बोला राघव हसल ओ भाई का बेवड़ा है यार, दारू पिया है.
Balance.
वो बैलेंस है 24/7 365 only hustle
24 hours.
Yes.
You only have 24 hours.
You only have 24 hours.
अरे
Bro,
भाई.
24 hours are enough.
मेरे को 12 घंटा सोना है, मेरे को सोने दे दो.
यार मैं तो 16 घंटे सोता हूँ कभी. मैं तो
बढ़िया
16
भाई.
But मेरा वही है यार, I work for 50 days in a year. When I do 50 shows in a year, let's say 50-60 shows in a year, So I work 50 now in the free time, getting inspired by these guys. I've started to do a little bit of YouTube and things here and there. But yeah, I mean, I'll start out with my own podcast very soon. And I'm in, you know, this is
तो हमको गेस्ट बुला लेना उसमें, ठीक है, फिर हमको इंटरव्यू करना
ये 2 मिनट
ऐसे
में बोल दिया
उनो रिवर्स कार्ड।
अभी इसके बाद मस्त गाली पड़ेगी मुझे पॉडकास्ट के बाद, सो तो थोड़ा इसका भी क्लिप बनाऊंगा।
नहीं यार, I genuinely I have to tell you, I have not had the opportunity of talking to the junior Anand, but the senior Anand guy is a legendary guy. Like, you know, it's very difficult to be you know, there's a vibe, and I remember something very categorically. People don't know this about me, but I notice people very much. Because I learn from people. I'm a constant learner. मैं तुमसे भी देख के कुछ सीख रहा हूँ, मैं तुमसे भी देख के कुछ सीख रहा हूँ, constantly सीखते रहता हूँ. I remember we were in Goa and someone said, यार मैं पारितोष की तरह बात करने लग गया. I think there's another friend of ours, Jatin, unfortunately. But
yes. So like just I'm very sorry to interrupt, but when Aman Sharma says that I was wasting my time, he calls Jatin whenever he wants to waste his time.
नहीं यार, that's giving him too much importance. I don't think of it. No, he's a sweet kid. We just like to pull
Jatin
his
is crying
leg.
in a corner right now.
Yes, I'm sure.
No, he's a sweet
F
kid. Yeah,
for
we like to
Jatin.
pull his leg. Yeah. तो क्या होता है पता है? I remember somebody told Paritosh that Paritosh, मैं तेरे जैसे बात करने लग गया हूँ. I think Jatin ने. तब Paritosh ने एक चीज कही थी and I fell in instant love. इसे भी नहीं याद होगा. इसने बोला था यार कुछ चार्म ही ऐसा है मेरा, और he said something like बॉस वाई भी ऐसी है, it reflects on you, you know, it rubs off on you. I was like, dude, that's impressive. Here's a guy who's not being fucking pompous. Here's a guy who's self-aware. I would never look at someone saying कि मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ. मैं ऐसे कभी उसे ये नहीं देखूंगा, बोलूंगा कि अबे देख ये तो बड़ा ही मार रहा है, ये तो हीरो बन रहा है. नहीं यार, वो सेल्फ अवेयर है. अब अगर तुम सेल्फ अवेयर नहीं हो, तुम फेक कर रहे हो, तो फ्यूचर वैसे ही तुम्हें बता देगा.
True. All a matter of time.
It's all a matter of time. But I loved that spirit about him the other day when someone told him that, you know, I started talking like him. He was like, YBSC है यार. Whoa, I was like, dude. Whoa.
ये रेयर होता है ना वैसे, ये चीज या तो रेयर होती है या फिर फेक होती है.
Yeah.
यार उस समय मेरे को क्यों नहीं हुआ ये रियलाइज मोमेंट में मैंने इतनी अच्छी चीज बोल दी.
यार ऐसे नहीं होता यार, वो दूसरों से ही पता चलता है हमेशा. दूसरों से ही पता चलता है.
Sleep with peace tonight.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't think that's happening.
देखो ये इनसाइड जोक है, बट मैं भी समझ गया हूँ थोड़ा सा ये इनसाइड जोक, ठीक है.
Jesus
थोड़ा
Christ.
सा मैं भी समझ गया.
Mother
ठीक
of
है.
God,
Yes.
please, I am so sorry. I don't know. I'm just apologizing to the universe. Please.
मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा.
We're nice.
Yeah.
We're nice.
I don't see that happening. Not so early. Yeah. Take time.
Yes.
It'll take time.
Not so soon.
Talking about, now that we're getting into this, talking about relationships.
Yeah.
Often
टॉकिंग
like-
अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स, मतलब ये ला इनसाइड जोक रिलेशनशिप्स के बारे में
नहीं
था.
मतलब ऐसे ही
तो ये ऐसे कनेक्ट कैसे हुआ
भाई,
है? एक्सपोज करते हैं मिलके पारितोष आनंद को है.
चलो, this is where two peas in a pod becomes a single hosted show. Bye, take care, ladies and gentlemen.
हाँ यार दे दो. मुझे वैसे भी राघव की आवाज थोड़ी कम ही आ रही थी, थोड़ा जोर से बोल रहा है, तो मुझे जोर से आवाज आई थी.
अरे वो माइक एक ही है ना अपना.
अच्छा, ये
तो
बताना
सुना,
नहीं
बोलो,
था
बोलो.
कैमरा पे. अरे यार,
कोई नहीं यार, इनको सब पता है.
Fake it till you make it, my friend.
हाँ, तो भाई,
दो mic
Aman
हम पे.
भाई,
बताओ.
will tell you something.
बताओ.
In September, in 3 months of starting our podcast, we became the #1 comedy podcast in all of India. ठीक है? नहीं, हाँ.
I love it.
Yes, हाँ.
I love it.
And people.
Congrats.
Thank you very much.
That's so cool.
ठीक है? And we've been carrying the mantle up till now. उधर का spot we haven't lost it yet. ठीक है? We only lost it to Zakir Khan once. But Zakir Khan को भी आप लोग मस्त हमने बोला hello.
So are you implying that we lose this spot today? ऐसा बोल रहे क्या? We can be boring.
नहीं भाई.
We can be boring. Let's rub it in. Let's rub it in. Rather, why don't you try being boring? You have experience with that, you know. You're usually boring on your YouTube, so.
Okay,
yeah. Rather, why don't you try
bye.
start being boring now?
Okay, bye.
Let's become boring.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, come on. See, take it as a joke, man. One should always take life as a
Obviously,
joke.
man. I mean, I take all things as a joke, man.
Talking of jokes, man, I'm used to a lot of jokes by Aman Sharma. काफ़ी हमें इधर रैंडम कॉल्स आती रहती हैं, ठीक है, कभी रात को 12 बजे, कभी शाम को 7:30 बजे। हम आधे घंटे के लिए बात करते हैं जिसमें हमारे गाल दर्द कर जाते हैं, बिकॉज दैट इज़ द लेवल ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशंस आई हैव विद अमन शर्मा. You're seeing this form of him now, है ना? You're seeing this form of him now.
To be
when he's
very
being all
honest,
philosophical.
to be very honest, I don't crack jokes. I just reflect upon his life and he starts laughing. So,
That is
I don't,
So your life is a joke.
Yes.
You're laughing at your life.
Anything. He just tells me, "Aman bhai, life mein aisa ho raha hai," and I laugh. And then I tell him, "Oh," and then he laughs harder. So your life is always entertainment to others. Classic example.
that is
Well, facts.
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 Facts. Facts.
We're supposed to say that. Okay, facts.
Yup, facts.
Okay.
Coming to what I was going to talk about,
Yeah.
relationships. This is something that I've struggled
Wait,
with myself.
weren't you telling me about the #1 comedy podcast?
Oh yes.
And then you
Huh.
said relationships.
No. What were we talking about?
You started in September.
Yeah.
And
Like,
3
so
months
like, we became the #1 comedy podcast in India in September.
Okay.
And until December of 2020, people didn't actually know that we were recording off of 2 iPhones. We didn't have a professional setup back then.
Wow.
So ये fake it till you make it wala ji, like the point that
I
you
mean,
brought
we
up.
used to record through iPhones. We didn't have anything to upload through videos because we had only one camera. एंड मेरे पास अभी तक वो पहली वीडियो पड़ी है जिसमें आप बेड पे ऐसे शावर कैप लगा के बैठते हो पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, और वो वीडियो हमको स्क्रैप ऑफ करनी पड़ी क्योंकि भैया ने शावर कैप पहन रखी है.
Yes.
So
this fake it till you
because he's dumb.
Because my life is a joke.
Yes,
guys.
facts.
I said it. Yes. Anyway, well, boy, like to the point that you added, fake it till you make it. I came back from Bali without a camera for 3 months.
Without a camera, without a drone, कुछ भी नहीं था.
For 3 months, we were.
Wait,
two
did you
YouTubers
lose
in a
all of
house.
them in Bali?
Yes.
Yup,
I
he
lost
lost
Proud
all
of
of it in Bali.
Oh.
Thank you, man. Like
I am not proud of him.
No. Aman Bhai is proud of him because now he knows that if at all, only Paritosh Anand can do an activity like this.
No.
Okay.
Okay. I've lost things myself.
Yes.
So
But I came back from Bali. We were 2 YouTubers with a combined audience of more than 1 lakh people.
उस समय, yep,
बहुत आराम से. And we didn't have a camera for 3 straight months. 3
3
महीने
straight months we were borrowing cameras from our
Yes.
friends, from our neighbors.
How cool is that?
The highest recorded, the highest viewed video on my channel today, the video which stands at 1 million views, has been recorded on an iPhone.
Wow.
नहीं, not on an iPhone, on a borrowed camera. मिलियन वाली on a borrowed camera थी. याद नहीं, उससे कलर्स ठीक करने पड़े थे हमको.
Colors भी थे, वो भी नहीं हुए थे. So that was the actual case.
Wow.
ये fake it till you make it, like you brought it up, I was like, why not
Yeah.
add to it as well? तो ये यार, I'm like adding more to this one particular point. It's only about what you're telling yourself what you can be,
Yeah.
which also correlates, which also bridges the gap between self-belief and confidence.
Mm-hmm. I am
Interesting.
all of a sudden I'm listening. I won't speak. This is interesting. This is interesting.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
we'll make you speak now.
Yes.
Yeah.
We
Yes.
will make you
Oh,
speak
am I supposed
now.
to speak? Oh, damn it.
Yes.
I was so lost into what you guys are saying.
Huh.
But you know what? Here's the thing. Here's the thing. I usually take inspiration from people who don't have things and make it happen, rather than from people who have the infrastructure and make it happen. No offense to those people, but the
Absolutely.
bigger part of influence comes in when you look at someone who does not have something and still made it happen.
True.
It's like saying Olympics is great, but Paralympics is better.
Very true.
Because
Very true.
there we have people who are physically challenged, but even then they sit on wheelchairs and run 100 meters on that. That's more inspiring, isn't it? Of course, it is 5,000% inspiring to see Olympics and all. That's a degree of fitness and dedication and resilience and all of that. But that, on the other side, is beautiful. So when you say you made something happen for 3 months, it's wonderful. It's beautiful. Like, but the way I see it is, I don't know if you will relate to this, but it's great to do that, but it's not amazing to do that.
Absolutely.
I'll tell you why. Every day, you should always remind yourself that if you're shooting it from a borrowed camera, you have the ability to borrow. If you're shooting it on an iPhone, you have an iPhone.
That's where gratitude comes in, man.
There are people who do it on far less. So
True. Very true.
So it's
Which also brings me to another point that I learned from the guy here. Don't.
Are you talking
compare
about
yourself
Raghav
with
or
the
me?
people?
अच्छा, okay.
इससे क्या सीखूंगा? इससे क्या सीखूंगा मैं? इससे क्या सीख लूंगा मैं?
अच्छा, चलो,
तू
ठीक
बता.
है.
अच्छा नहीं बोल अब क्या सीख लूंगा?
Raghav, it's your moment. Just go for it.
I was the one who introduced editing in this household.
हाँ खैर I won't.
Is he the better editor?
Yup.
Yes.
Yup.
Hands
Yup.
down.
I'm the one who is editing all the podcasts, and I'm the
Yes.
one who's
He's
the
the-
master of editing in this
he's the-
household.
he's the
I'm the one who
brain.
taught him how to use softwares like Premiere Pro and
Yes,
After
okay.
Effects, जो अभी After
I
Effects.
might have a
What I
job
was-
for you, my friend, if you're up for it.
Well, I'm down.
I need to
Yeah,
get
if
back
you're-
to what I was saying. Yes.
होगी
let's-
बेइज्जती
ये
होगी.
देखो इसकी जान देखो जान जल रही है दूसरे की तारीफ सही
स्वाद
नहीं
आ
जा
गई.
रही है इससे.
आ गया
राघव खुद की
स्वाद.
तारीफ कर रहे हैं ये कह रहा है I want to come back to what I was talking about. जान जल रही है लड़के की.
I just want to not come back.
Yes,
but
bye.
anyway,
Bye. Hi,
whatever.
Ram.
Okay,
Bye.
all right.
Okay,
all
bye.
right. Tissue papers. Sorry.
क्या बोल रहा था मैं भाई?
Bye.
हाँ.
Let me remind you.
This was something that I
Yeah.
learned from the big guy himself. Don't. He was talking about ना कि मतलब you have the liberty of having an iPhone even if you're recording with an iPhone. Like talking of gratitude. But this was something that he taught me that don't compare yourself with someone who's above you.
Yeah.
Compare yourself with someone who's below you because he's actually making it happen and you're not at that stage.
Ah.
You're sitting and
Ah.
cribbing and complaining about
true.
it.
Yeah.
While someone who doesn't have all the resources that you might be having at the moment, he's still implementing and executing.
काफी सही.
True.
काफी सही. ये लोग ये चीजें कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं काफी बार. People tend to compare themselves with people who have crossed you
True.
या फिर who are above you at that point. But,
Yeah.
हाँ काफी nice.
You know, above and below is, I was about to say above and beyond. Above and below is a subjective thing. First of all,
True.
I don't know how. There are many parameters to above and below.
True.
You know, I personally believe that if, let's say, Paritosh is now at some 100k, 200k subscribers, he might be more than a lot of people. He might be lesser than maybe many of them. But there is a good chance that tomorrow someone who's just started out YouTubing might just be 20 million.
Absolutely.
Now, here's what you have to learn in life. That, you know, what hustle never dies. And I learned this from Shah Rukh Khan himself. When I had the opportunity of being around, and I cannot say Shah Rukh Khan, I always say Shah Rukh Sir. When I had the opportunity of being around Shah Rukh Sir for 3 days, I saw that guy work like he was a 20-year-old. He worked for 18 hours in front of us. 18 hours in front of us. And that is the day I realized this guy should not do it. He's pulling up chairs for women who are standing. Why would he want to do it? There are 55 boys around him who can do it for him. But he did it himself. You know, there's so much learning in that at that success, he's still hungry for more. And that hunger is beautiful. However, taking a pause and realizing that what you've done is great, hunger is always good. And you find hunger in people who've started out, not in the people who are already there. Very few who are up there are still hungry for more because, you know, Dhinchak Pooja can rise to fame overnight.
Wow.
Very true. Facts. लिंचक
So-
पूछा जैसे और भी कितने सारे भाई.
No, I mean,
But-
how do you differentiate between hunger and greed here in that case?
See, hunger and greed, again, you know, all the things that we're talking about has very thin line of difference.
Absolutely, very true.
I
Very
mean,
true.
honestly, it's like saying कि मैं casino में 12,000 जीत गया लेकिन 15,000 जीतने की इच्छा है यार. Now that becomes greed. But if you say in life you've reached 1 million and you want to reach 2 million, that's not greed. That's hunger. That's hunger to grow. Because you have all the things under your control to make that happen. That is when, let's say, if you want to make 200k tomorrow, example, तुझे पता है तुझे मेहनत करनी है, तुझे ये करना है, तुझे वो करना है, तुझे वो करना है, you're hungry for more. You become greedy for more when the point B, you have no control over it. It's like a casino. I want to win 15,000, but this is not in my control. I am hungry to earn this much money. It is in my control. I will work towards it and get there. That's the difference between hunger and greed. You are greedy. You are greedy when the destination is not under your control. But when I'm hungry for more, I have the energy to make it happen. I have the infrastructure, the you know, what do you say, the zest, the passion to do it. That is when I'm hungry for it. When I'm greedy for more, तो यार वो थोड़ा negative line में चला जाता है. I don't find that right. Yeah.
If you're hungry, the ball is in your court.
Exactly.
Very good.
You are, yeah. Wow, man, Raghav, that's good analogy, man. That's great analogy. Why don't you come this side and I will ask you questions? And I genuinely mean it. I'm so impressed by the two of you. You know, I'm getting to know so much about myself today. Let's do this more often.
Part 2.
which also brings me back to a follow-up question.
Yep.
ये मेरे दिमाग में आया था. I couldn't ask it before. You're saying that whenever, like this is the same with me as well. So you know, this is something that I would be asking a question to an elder brother. ठीक है, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा है. Like I am very, जैसे उस दिन भी मैंने बोला कि vibe है boss. ठीक है. So like whenever even you added it, like whenever you're walking into the room, you say that you're the best.
Yeah.
All right.
Not
So
really.
here's
Not really. I don't say it. When I
Say it
say I'm
yourself.
the best,
Exactly.
when I say I'm the best, I say that in my profession that I'm the best. I don't walk
Absolutely.
into the
I mean,
room
like,
and
yeah.
say I'm the best. Because
Yes,
when
you know,
I'm
coming to the
working,
same point, yeah.
I'm the only anchor in the room.
Absolutely. Yes.
There are no 100 anchors in the room. But when I walk into the room, I walk into the room in the capacity of a normal human being. If I walk in there and I say I'm the best, that is when I am wrong. That is when I'm arrogant.
That is also when you're stopping, or you know, putting a wall between you and growth, if I may say it right.
Come again? I didn't get you.
I mean, if you say you're best, he means to say that if you say that you're the best, you're stopping yourself from growing even further because you've reached that pinnacle.
True. But that also comes from, पता है कितनी बार होता है, जैसे I'll tell you, राघव का example लेते हैं. See, the public won't understand this. But to someone it has happened will understand this. Let's take Raghav's example. That night when he got bullied by a bunch of, people who were on his live stream. Had Raghav started thinking कि मैं वही हूँ जो ये सोच रहे हैं, he would not have the balls to do the next live stream.
Very
Very
true.
true. Very true.
But somewhere, something in Raghav said, I'm worth it. Somewhere he wanted to push his talent out and he went the other day. That is when it's not hindering your growth ever, because there are many times you have to fake it to yourselves. You have to fake it to yourselves. And I've faked all my life. I have faked, and I have no problem accepting it. I have faked so many things in life. So many things. Till the time you make it. मतलब मैं जा रहा हूँ क्लाइंट्स के पास, कह रहा हूँ मैं आया मर्सिडीज में, मैं आया हूँ एक्टिवा पे, सिर्फ एक नाम बनाने के लिए. बिकॉज आवर इंडस्ट्री वर्क्स अराउंड परसेप्शन मार्केटिंग.
True.
What people perceive of you is how people treat you. It's like मिका सिंह ने हमर खरीदी थी, तब वो बॉलीवुड में इतना बड़ा आदमी बना क्योंकि लोग कहते थे, ओ दैट सिंगर विद द बिग कार. True. It is perception marketing.
चंडीगढ़ में हमर दिखी थी एंड दैट टाइम आई हैड नो आइडिया हु मिका सिंह वाज. मैं बहुत छोटा सा था एंड हम लोग मैच देखने गए थे मोहाली में.
हम लोगों ने उसके साथ फोटो सिर्फ इसलिए खिंचाई क्योंकि उसके पास एक ऐसी गाड़ी थी.
Perception marketing, my friend. Perception
हमारे चाचू कहते
marketing.
कि ये हमर है तो ये मिका सिंह ही होगा.
Correct.
which also brings us back to the very point we started this podcast with. No one will sell you and your craft for you.
True.
Facts.
And say things to yourself that makes you happy, right? Say things to yourself that makes you. If I want to stand in front of the camera and say, fuck, I don't look like Tom Cruise. Am I not an idiot who's telling that he's a different entity? Why will Paritosh wake up one day and say, fuck, I'm not Tanmay Bhatt? Abhi, you are Paritosh Anand. You are Raghav Anand. I am Aman Sharma. क्यों जरूरत है तुम्हें मेरे जैसे बनने की? भाई खुद के जैसे बनो.
सही बात.
टॉम क्रूज बचपन में अगर ये बोलते रहता कि मुझे भाई जैकी चैन बनना है, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक दिन ट्रांसफॉर्म तो नहीं हो जाता ना.
क्लासमेट का एक ऐड था, क्लासमेट का था, नटराज का था, आई एम नॉट श्योर, वेयर पीपल स्टार्टेड टेलिंग कि तू अगला ये बनेगा, यू विल बिकम द सेकंड एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, यू विल बिकम द सेकंड आइजैक न्यूटन. और फिर लास्ट में बच्चा कहता है नहीं, आई विल बिकम द फर्स्ट दिस द फर्स्ट दिस, और अपना नाम लेता है उसके बाद.
True.
तुझे पता है
काफी
ऐसा
अच्छा
जब
लगा
बोलते हैं ना, देन देयर इज अ शो लाइक रोडीज, जिसपे अगर कोई बंदा जाके बोलेगा आई वांट टू बी द फर्स्ट अमन शर्मा, दैट इज व्हेन रणविजय नोज ही इज सेइंग दैट्स फॉर इफेक्ट. You say a lot of things only for effect.
True.
Very true.
You know, like many things that we say is for effect. कि ऐसे फिर लोग भी आ जाते हैं जो jumping on the bandwagon वाला scene होता है कि अच्छा ये मार्केट
बस बोलने
चल रही है,
बोलने के लिए
I want to be better than myself. शाहरुख सर ने बोला मैं भी बोलूंगा. नहीं भैया, if you genuinely believe in that concept कि कल 4 पुशअप मार पाए तो आज 5वें की उम्मीद कर सकते. हो ना हो is a different thing. There's growth. There's a little growth. Because what happens is if you start comparing yourself to others, you will never ever be that guy. Paritosh will never be me. I will never be Paritosh. It's like saying I want a jawline like him. Can you have my parent as your parent in this lifetime? No. Then why do we expect? Why do we expect to be like someone else? What is the harm? Breaking stereotypes is fun. मेरा तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ही ये था यार कि I always thought I was a decent looking guy. And every time I was in Bombay Times Fresh Face in 2010 in the 8 most good looking and talented boys of Mumbai. And I was like, dude, am I that good looking? Because, the other guys are more good looking. But that is what brought me to a point that Barack Obama is not good looking. Barack Obama is a good human.
Wow.
You can be good looking and still be not likable. You can be decent looking and still be lovable. It's about the person you are, not...
Exactly.
Not how you look like.
People tend to entangle themselves in the standards with which their growth or their beauty can be measured.
True. Thanks to Instagram and fake filters.
That is exactly what I was coming to. And the social media acts as a catalyst.
Social media is a very huge catalyst.
कैमनॉय फिल्टर को बंद करो आज की आज, क्योंकि लड़कियां वैसी नहीं दिखती जब मिलते हैं तब. मेरी खुद की गर्लफ्रेंड वैसी नहीं दिखती है.
But yes, मैंने सुन रखा
ये
है.
नीचे एक हैशटैग डालना, ban the कैमनॉय फिल्टर. मैं मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड को हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन से मिलता हूँ.
Nice, bye. Nice. Get yourself
Dude, I
in
look
trouble.
good in
Get
camera,
yourself
man.
in
I was
trouble.
like, dude, this is insane. This is why? Exactly.
आजकल
Why?
legit कुछ भी हो सकता है. Dude, you must have seen deep fakes on Instagram and all.
Yeah.
You can legit make people say whatever you want to say through deep fakes.
अब तेरे को एक बात बताऊं, यहाँ पे there is a good bunch of people who are also misinterpreting fake it till you make it.
Yes. And
True.
that is the bigger bunch of people who dilute the entire cause.
Exactly. अब पता है क्या, अब अमन भाई
अब आए हो मुद्दे की बात पे.
हाँ, अब इस चीज की वजह से ना, ये this is not just one aspect that we're talking about. ये fake it till you make it is not just one aspect that we're talking about. We can also touch on a lot of topics on mental health in the same category. A lot of people out there are just upset. They're not depressed, but they want to be depressed.
Thank you for saying
because they want to be depressed because they want to fit in the category of people who are getting that extra care and attention.
True. But how do you filter them? You cannot.
Exactly.
And that is when something as beautiful as feminism also gets fucked.
Very true.
Wow, man.
Very true.
Very true. Very true. Because that is something.
Because there are like I am friends with feminists who are hardcore feminists.
True.
Who would not for once have issues with boys. But now pseudo feminism, there are women who will be male bashing. There are women who will be, why are these guys like this? Why? Which is not the concept. The concept is truly so beautiful. To give you an example, in Islam you can get married thrice, right?
Absolutely.
But do you know you can only get married thrice if the first wife allows you to get married the second time? And if the second wife allows you, that is when patriarchy was the problem. That is when men took unfortunate advantage of the lesser knowings that we had that time. Just now in Singapore 3 years ago, the court or the bodies, there was a bunch of feminists, a group of feminists who went there and told them that this is how it should actually happen. It's not that a guy can get married thrice. No, you can get married thrice if the first lady allows you to get. That is the problem where men took the advantage. That, my friend, is reflecting true feminism, where people say, buddy, you don't have the power over us. We all have equal powers, but unfortunately, over the years, they've taken undue advantage. But then there are people who will spoil the entire cause, like the lady who changed the Myntra logo. I don't know why.
The Myntra logo is so fucked up, bhai. So fucked up.
मुझे नहीं पता था वो, मुझे पता ही नहीं था वो ऐसा कुछ है.
The interpretation that lady introduced has introduced so many interpretation in other logos, bhai.
I have a problem with the T in Myntra. मेरी बात कौन सुनेगा?
Have you seen Starbucks का logo for that sake?
अब मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, because now people, this will be a new trend.
Exactly. Now
people have been pointing out logos. हर logo में कुछ ना कुछ तुम निकाल सकते हो, भाई. It's open to interpretation.
Exactly. Like,
भाई, now
see, that's where taking advantage of an emotion comes into place. क्या कर रहा था मिंत्रा आपके लिए?
Exactly.
मतलब इतने बड़े बैग, और मिंत्रा ने भी बाद में बहुत कूल प्ले किया. कल तो उनने भी बहुत खिलियां उड़ाई, बट चलो अच्छी बात है. बट here's the thing, man.
सिर्फ ओपेक कर दिया उस लोगों को, जो अभी तक ट्रांसपेरेंट थी ओवरलैपिंग, उसको ओपेक कर दिया और लेडी खुश हो गई.
No, you have to go on Facebook. You have to check Myntra page. If you can, insert the pictures that Myntra has put. Myntra has put the M logo with mustache on it.
Wow.
Myntra has put the M logo with the tongue out of it.
Okay.
Myntra has played it on all new levels. They are like, ठीक है भैया.
Jesus.
Because it's extremely stupid. We didn't know. We didn't see it like that. दीदी हमने तो देखा ही नहीं था ये. आपने बताया हमें. हमें तो पता ही नहीं था.
Fucked up.
If I say I want to come, there can be two interpretations. I just want to come to Dehradun.
Yeah.
But I do want to come as well. But I just want to come to Dehradun.
Yes.
Poor
Can we
thing,
stop with the cum
pussycats in
jokes?
childhood. We were taught, there are pussycats. I can't say that today. Because it's a cat. But hey, here's the thing. I mean, we I don't know how to put it. We have used being sensitive as a tool against us only. Because we've become so sensitive today that saying anything, which is why I love a guy like Veer Das, because unabashedly he will say whatever he wants to say.
Very true. Yeah.
And that is how life should be. So many times we can't say things, man, these days.
On that note, on the sensitive note, is that your opinion on the recent controversies on inappropriate jokes as well? The recent Munawar Farike wala jo controversy hua.
I am not aware of the Munawar whatever you were saying, but I am aware of the fact that somebody made joke on God.
Yep.
And people had issues. Why did you watch? Isn't there a disclaimer before? आपने उसको तो जनरलाइज कर दिया कि ये तो हर पिक्चर के पहले होता है. नहीं भैया, पढ़ना होता है. डिस्क्लेमर पढ़ने के लिए होता है. आपने पढ़ा नहीं, आपने देख लिया. क्यों देखा? अगर see, comedy is to be understood like comedy. If you take comedy as, so seriously, won't be fun. No fun.
Very true.
So it's weird, man. I find half of the things, it's like saying I will defend my God. You can't. How can you? Who are you?
You're barely a dot in the universe. Barely a dot in the universe, bhai. Barely.
मतलब तेरे नेबरिंग 5 शॉप पे तेरा क्रेडिट चल रहा है. तू क्या भगवान को बचाएगा?
ये oh my god, मैं ये चीज mention
How
कर रही थी.
weird.
You're barely a dot in this universe and you plan to protect your God. He protects you.
He protects you. Very true, यार. Very true. Who are you? तू है कौन?
Who are you?
वो तो
Exactly.
खैर काफी fucked up scene है खैर.
But वही मतलब this also brings me to this one another point कि today people on the internet want to have an opinion on everything.
True. Oh my god, talk about it.
Which gives rise
Talk
to
about
many opinions, counter opinions, counter
Oh
opinions,
my God.
counter opinions.
I mean, अमन भाई, आप कुछ भी बोलो इंटरनेट पे, there will be people who will have counter opinions on it, even if they're conflicting the opinion that they said 2 days ago, but they'll put up opinions on it.
Because it is so cool to come up with a counter.
Very true. जैसे a brief example was that Black Lives Matter. नहीं, all lives matter.
All lives matter.
Man, imagine. The irony is the irony is, we Indians, as Sadhguru once rightly said, we are just the product of 4 generations of illiteracy. कमला हैरिस वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बनती है, हम वो लोग हैं जो परिवार में एक बंदा सक्सेसफुल होता है तो रिश्ते बनाने लग जाते हैं. कमला हैरिस वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बन रही है तो हमें आधा दिन लगा ये ढूंढने में कि उसका एंसेस्ट्रल ओरिजिन तमिलनाडु का है. क्यों? Why do you have to find pride in everything? She is the vice president of United States of America, and now all of a sudden Indians have started taking pride in the fact that her ancestors are from. ऐसे तो we all come from a chimpanzee. वो तो मेरी बहन है.
Facts, ladies and gentlemen.
I mean, it's so weird that we try to find, we try to align us with trends. Unfortunately, to everyone who went, and I don't mean disrespect to anybody, but to everyone who went and said the first woman vice president of United States of America actually forgot that we've had a woman prime minister far before United States of America could ever think of it.
Absolutely.
This is why I love Priyanka Chopra, because recently on the Ellen show, on the Kimmel show, when someone asked, and all the hosts asked, what is your opinion on Kamala Harris? She was like, welcome to the tribe. Because we were way cooler before you thought this was cool. And we look up to them. I'm like, dude, we've had them.
Absolutely.
It's like, यहाँ पे तो था. तो वो कैसे
तू वहाँ क्यों देख रहा है? तू वहाँ क्यों देख रहा है?
Seriously, भाई.
God bless Indira Gandhi, may her soul rest in peace. She would be thinking, was I of no value? मैं कुछ
मेरा काम सब भूल गया.
Yeah, let's not get there. Then we'll get to other things. Yeah, let's not get there. It's so stupid. We've had a prime minister. It's beautiful. Our constitution is beautiful. Yeah.
People tend to overcomplicate things, man.
नहीं यार, cool चीजों पे ना जंप करना हमें बहुत पसंद है.
Because for another reason that लोगों को वहाँ पे acceptance दिखता है.
Exactly. I fit into that group. Because मेरी खुद की तो चलनी नहीं.
Wow.
मेरी बात तो मेरे घर वाले नहीं सुनने. तो मैं क्या दुनिया बदलने चलूं? That is when lack of confidence. That is when और बनो ये कि no Paritosh Anand is better than me. तो एक दिन तुम्हारी कोई सुनेगा ही नहीं. मैं तो day 1 से कह रहा हूँ I'm the best. तो सुनेगा ना कोई? You will have a voice. You will have a voice when you have self-belief, when you have self-worth, when you have an idea that is your idea. It is like saying Paritosh ने बोला कि मैंने ये रेड पहन रखा है, तो मैं बोल दूंगा हाँ भाई रेड पहन रखा है. परितोष ने बोला ये ब्लैक पहन रखा है, तो मैं बोलूंगा हाँ ये ब्लैक, लेकिन ये व्हाइट है. मैं क्यों मानूं परितोष की बात? Because disagreeing to someone is such a crime. Because see, here's the thing, people don't have a voice of themselves. They try to find the bigger voice hiding amongst the bigger cause.
Wow.
And make that their voice.
Now understand this, when that entire thing of NRC was happening, आधे कॉलेज के बच्चे जो वहाँ पे मार्च कर रहे थे उन्हें ये नहीं पता था
आइडिया
NRC
नहीं था
उनको पता भी नहीं है कि
आइडिया भी नहीं,
क्योंकि ये कूल था करना, तो हम बाहर चले गए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग राइट रॉन्ग, इट्स अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री, सबके अपने ओपिनियन है. But just because it is cool, I am getting messages, Aman bro, will you come there? I'm like, no, bro, I want to sleep. You go change the nation. I will follow the democratic way of changing the nation. It's just that people find cool things so cool. And it's like saying a celebrity is not as arrogant as the manager is, because you're working for the celebrity. That is where you have that sense of, sense of achievement is one, sense of pride is one, but arrogance is one. That I work with Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan इतना arrogant नहीं भैया जितने आप arrogant हो. आप थोड़े ना शाहरुख खान हो. It's like saying मेरी शाहरुख के साथ एक फोटो है तो अब मैं तुमसे बात करना बंद कर दूं. ये आनंद ब्रदर्स गेट ऑफ मैन, मैं तुमसे बात करूंगा अभी. मैं शाहरुख से बात, अरे मैं थोड़े शाहरुख हूँ, मैं तो भैया बात किया. I had the opportunity to talk to him. So people find cool things cool, and it's unfortunate because we're not APJ Abdul Kalam. पढ़ो. Learn. And if you don't learn, you don't understand. You become
there's no limit to
wasted cause.
There's no limit to learning. People believe even for success, for that sake, I believe in this one notion that I can never be successful I can always be in the process of being successful, but I can never be successful because the day
It's how you define it, right?
exactly.
It's how you
सक्सेसफुल
define
इज
it.
वेरी सब्जेक्टिव,
Very
बहुत
true.
सब्जेक्टिव चीज
Yeah,
है,
हर चीज सब्जेक्टिव है भाई.
बहुत
उस case
बहुत
में.
बहुत
हाँ.
सब्जेक्टिव चीज
अब हर चीज ही सब्जेक्टिव है. इट्स लाइक सेइंग पारितोष इज सक्सेसफुल, उसने BMW खरीद ली,
बस.
पर अब वो 15 BMW खरीद सकता है फिर.
हाँ.
सही
That
बात
is,
What-
comes down to how you measure your success. वही.
True.
अभी मैं अपनी डेफिनेशन में अपना सक्सेस बताऊंगा, बट टू यू आई माइट बी और माइट बी और माइट नॉट बी सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज यू आर इंटरप्रेटिंग
Interpreting. For lack of word, I'll be there.
अच्छा मोमेंट चल रहा था मेरा. You are interpreting success
Yeah.
from your
योर आउटलुक
हाँ भाई,
योर
सही
तो
आउटलुक
डीप बातें मत
तुम्हारा
करो,
अपना
डीप जाती
पर्सपेक्टिव
है.
है सक्सेस की तरफ.
हाँ, बस.
सबका अपना अपना होता है.
हाँ भाई.
इजी
सबका अपना अपना.
वेरी इजी
यार बहुत लोग के लिए तुम सक्सेसफुल हो,
हाँ.
लेकिन क्या तुम तुम्हारे लिए सक्सेसफुल हो? नहीं. कितने लोग मुझे मैसेज करते ब्रो यू आर सो सक्सेसफुल. मैं कहता हूँ यार मेरा एयरटेल का बिल आ रखा है, मैंने बिल नहीं भरा, तुम कह रहे हो मैं सक्सेसफुल हूँ. एंड यू नो इट्स सो योर कॉज इज ऑलवेज डिफरेंट. परसेप्शन मार्केटिंग इज अ बिग गेम. Is a big game. What people perceive of you is what you project, at times fake, and at times faking is good because your shortcomings should not be known to the world. It should just be to yourself. तो मैं अगर एक्टिवा में आया, अगर मैं ही सोच मानने लग जाऊं कि मैं फरारी में आया, तो दुनिया भी तो मानने लग जाएगी ना भाई ये तो फरारी में ही आया था. फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. एक दिन फरारी आ ही जाएगी तो उसमें आ जाएगी. बढ़िया है.
ब्यूटीफुल पॉडकास्ट मैन. आई मीन आई एम प्रीटी श्योर हमने तो ये इंट्रो बहुत आउटरो बहुत ही लेट रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, बट यस दिस इज वन पॉडकास्ट दैट वी एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड रिकॉर्डिंग एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू गाइस एंजॉयड लिसनिंग टू इट एज वेल.
वही यार.
So if you did, make sure you do what you're supposed to do.
वही यार, like touched a few topics that we wouldn't otherwise.
True.
Like
That we
people
want
expect
to.
it to be a comedy pod. Exactly. वही people expect it to be a comedy podcast और बोलते हैं कि हाँ भैया बकचोदी, ये बकचोदी, वो हाँ भैया बकचोदी चलती रहती है. But उन्हीं बकचोदी के through, if you get to talk about the things that you really want to talk
True,
about,
true,
that is
true.
what we really want to do and
Very true.
convey through the comedic touch that we add to this one particular podcast as
Very
well.
true,
So yes,
very true.
thank you so much for listening to
Yup.
this one particular episode. Hope
If
you all enjoyed.
If
Hope
you
all had a
enjoyed
good
it,
time.
make sure you do what you're supposed to do भाई. ठीक है, YouTube पे हो तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना,
Seriously
लाइक कर
भाई.
देना पॉडकास्ट को, and comment down below with what whichever part you like the most. And if you're on Spotify, make sure you follow us and listen to our other podcast as well. And that's about it, man. Apple Podcast पे rating
And
दे देना,
भैया,
you know the drill.
watch out for the next episode.
Yep, the next
Watch out
episode
for
will
the
be
next
dropping
episode and-
very soon. So actually
And
very soon.
no
ठीक है, ये
kidding,
बहाना नहीं.
when yes हाँ, but वही यार,
हाँ.
when you listen to it, make sure you're listening to that next episode with an open mind.
Yep.
That is so very
Yep.
important.
Yep.
यार.
Yep.
Very very important because bhai it'll be very sensitive. The topics that we're going to be talking about would be very 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 extremely sensitive, but hear us out in this next episode.
Yes
And
sir.
I'm pretty sure your doors will be opened. So yes, see you all really very soon. हाँ भाई.
ठीक है भाई.
सिंपल भाषा में तुम्हारे दिमाग के बहुत सारे
Yes
खुल
भाई,
जाएंगे
yes भाई,
ठीक है?
बिल्कुल भाई.
हाँ.
Yes sir.
चलो यार मिलेंगे
Yes,
मस्त
sir.
कब. ठीक है.